I tried the Elbow Grease Washing Up Spray. Join me today as I show you all the places that I use around the home. I'll also give you an honest review on how well it works, so join me today. So I recently came across the Elbow Grease Spray. I love Elbow Grease Spray. I use it to degrease around the kitchen. I saw this at the range. I had to buy it and see how well it works. You can actually use it for dishes and pans. This is the first time I am actually going to use it to spray and clean the plates. Oh, it is very strong. It's got a very strong scent to it. Foamy it is, and a little goes a long way, so I'm quite impressed with that. But so far the scent is quite strong. If the dishes really well cleaned up, but I just felt like the scent is way too strong and overpowering that I would not use it in the kitchen for plates. I'll use it for the cooker and anything else outside of the plates, because I just find that it's just too strong and it's something that I personally would not want to have on things that I eat. Works really well to remove the grease on the cooker. I highly recommend it for that. Absolutely loved it, but will not be using it on my plates or anything to do with dishes or anything I consume, but I'll be using it outside. So this is my buggy board for my son and the stroller as well. So this needed a clean, and I'm going to be using it on this, which I think is the perfect place for it. Alright, the buggy board is a lot cleaner than how it was when it first started, so it's perfect for outdoor things. I will also be using it for the bins. I'm going to start using it right now. So this is our outside bin, and I think it works really well on outdoor spaces. Again, the scent is way too strong for my liking. That's why I prefer it for outdoor spaces that are really dirty. It is also great to use on windowsills. So I tried to do this one, but the sun was setting and you can't really see how much dirt has been removed. So I'll try and film another video showing you guys how well it works on window frames that are really that dirty, but it's just the time of the day and you can't really tell how much, you know, it's just the lighting basically. So I'll do another video for you guys. And I also use it to clean this car seat. So on the outside of it, I took out all the covers and I just cleaned it. It just needed a really deep clean. So this is really great, especially to remove all the buildup and all the dust. What's that? last but not least, I did clean the metal cooker hood filters. You can look at my previous video over here, which is on the right over here. You can click there to watch the full video. This was fantastic to just dissolve all the grease, and I absolutely highly recommend it for this. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. So this is from the filters. This is all the buildup that has literally dissolved from them. So let's give everything a So yeah, you can watch the full video like I mentioned where how I cleaned this metal cooker hood filters. I explained how I did it. You can watch the full video if you are looking for that type of motivation. So that is it in terms of all the areas that I clean using the elbow grease. So overall, my thoughts on the cleaning spray, I think it's really great as a degreaser. It's really great on outside spaces that really need a deep clean. Use a small spray goes a long way, and I also like that it's really foamy, so you know you don't really need to overspray, which is fantastic. So I highly recommend it for really greasy areas that need a deep clean and outdoor spaces that really need the extra form and you know the power of the soap. So fantastic for that. I'll do another video doing outdoor spaces cleaning, so look out for that. But in terms of like washing dishes, I don't think that's something I'm going to be using it for. It's just too strong for my liking, and I'll stick to traditional cleaning dish soap. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next one. You have a lovely day. Bye.